Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I just want to do a quick little video, kind of like a milestone and a review so far of the ownership of the 2021 Acura TLX A-spec that I have. So just today, I passed the 10,000 mile mark. And I've had this car just almost 2 years now. So I don't drive a whole bunch, as you can tell. It's at 10,007 miles currently. So about 5,000 a year. But it's been a great car. I love it. I do. No real issues with it. Only thing, as any of you with a TLX probably already know, the puddle lights went out a few months after I bought it. Never even took it in to have it replaced because I heard there's no revised part yet. So I'm kind of waiting to see how that goes before I have them rip into the car. But no, it's been a great car. I love the handling of it. This is the super handling all-wheel drive. Big difference. As far as handling, I take it out to the coast and it just handles really well around those turns. Super planted. It is a heavy car, but for me, it's like a pro and a con. Like, yeah, it's heavy and you can feel it, but going around corners and stuff, it just feels really planted, which I like. And as you can see, leather still looks really good. I condition it on a regular basis. No issues. I really haven't had anything. Everything's wearing really well. So if you guys are in the market for them, if you're kind of deciding, is it worth it? I personally think it is. I mean, it's a great car. I wouldn't pay markups. I wouldn't do that kind of stuff. So hopefully the market softens a little bit because I definitely wouldn't pay a markup. I got a really great deal on this, but it was before all the markup things went crazy. I actually got a lot of money off this car. So I don't know if I'd pay sticker because these things are close to 50. But I mean, you get a lot of stuff. You get a little bit of luxury. You get a little bit of the performance. Just a nice vehicle. It holds 5 people. Is it a little cramped in back? Yeah. Compared to a Honda Accord, yes, it's a lot tighter in the back for sure. But for us, it works perfectly fine. Plenty of room for us. If you're on the taller side, you might have some issues. So I would recommend test driving one if you're kind of thinking about it. But no, I love it. It's been a great car. The only negative thing I will say about this is the gas mileage. Being a heavy car, being all-wheel drive, I mean, it's not impressive, but then I look back on my videos I did of my 2.0 Accord, and this might get 1 to 2 miles per gallon less. So not crazy. I'm getting right now about 22, but I mainly drive city. And I mean, I maybe get on the freeway once a week, if that. So if you're doing kind of a mix between both, I would say you can expect maybe 25, 26, which is average. It's nothing stellar. I kind of expected a little bit more when I bought this car. But again, I'm not like super disappointed. I just want to let you guys know if you're looking for a car that gets good gas mileage, I wouldn't consider this because I wouldn't say it's good. I would say it's a little bit below average. But other than that, it's been a really good car. I love it. I'm excited. Like the 2 years flew by so far. And the only thing I've done was change the oil when it's time, rotate the tires. I just actually had that done, and the dealer said everything looked great. The brakes were great, the tires, all that kind of stuff. There's no leaks, which is always a nice thing when they lift it up. Sometimes they can spot stuff. So yeah, it's been a great car so far for me. It's been the reliability that I've expected out of a Honda product. So like I said, I would consider this if you guys are in the market for something and you say you have a Honda now, you want something just a little bit more luxurious, a little bit overall, I would say a little higher end car, nothing crazy, but for me, it was a nice step in the right direction. Like it feels more luxurious. It feels more planted. There's less wind noise, road noise, all that kind of stuff. You can tell it's a more solidly built car. Which I like. Like I said, that's kind of what you're paying for. So I think it's an overall great car. It's not going to be the fastest, of course, or anything like that, but it does everything good. So like I said, for me, I can definitely recommend it. It's a great car, you know, but if you're in the market at this moment, I would wait a few months because it's kind of softening up a little bit. So you can probably get some money off these cars now since they've been out for some time and things are getting a little bit better. So again, I just wanted to share my 10,000 mile review with you guys, let you know what I think of the car. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.